Aaliyah, is that you? Oh, I have my mic. It feels like so long since I have recorded a video. Maybe not for you because you probably just watched my last video about me reviewing Rosetta Stone and how you can use that to learn a new language. But I haven't recorded in quite some time, and it's all because, well, why is that? Not much has changed, I feel like, since the last time I've recorded a video, except for the fact that Biden did choose Kamala Harris to be his running mate, so we got to make sure we get them over the finish line. But why I have not been filming as much is because I have been working on new content geared towards something that I majorly did in my life. I bought a house, and so what I have been doing is I have been undergoing the renovation process, which I thought was going to be so much easier, but it's not impossible, but it's been a challenge. And as you can tell, I have completely neglected keeping my hair in control. So I have not cut my hair, I have not shaved, I have not done any of those things, all because I have been working on this house. And so what I'm going to do now is I am actually, as soon as I finish filming this video, I'm going to get started on some more updates that I'm filming for later that will be released later. But what I wanted to do in this video is I wanted to give you the initial tour of my new house. It's old to some, but it's new to me, and I am so excited to be working on it. My initial hope for a house was that I would find this old 1900s house that needed to be completely renovated, but I am so glad I found something right in the middle that is like more doable for me and my expertise and my skill set, because this house has presented me with some challenges and it's not even that old. So I'm excited and I'm loving the process now, because it took me a minute to get there, but I'm loving the process now and I'm ready to show you all that I have done. But to know where we're going, we have to know where we came from, and so this video is going to do just that. So without further ado, I have to change the tagline because it's not a knowledge video. Let's get into this video. Oh, also, let me just say before we get into the credits, I am going to be redoing or introducing new types of content as well. I love the long format, or longer format, well, long for me, of videos that are geared towards, like, you know, gaining more knowledge and all that kind of stuff. And I'm gonna still do those videos because they're very important to me and my brand and what I want to put out there. But I also wanted to do these shorter videos that are just knowledge nuggets. I think I just came up with the title, that get out information for everybody in bite-sized morsels that you can take away really quickly. And so I'm going to try to get into those a little bit more too, and just introducing a little bit more fast learning. So those are some things that I'm working on. And now, without further ado, let's get into this house tour. Okay, so this is the start of this little tour, and let me just say that I had already started to destroy this place a little bit. It is my first space, and so I got a little bit zealous when I first got here, and I wanted to go ahead and get some. Okay, so before we start, let me just say I wanted to go ahead and get some of the stuff crack-a-lacking too early, and I just got a little zealous. And so before I was able to film this video, I had already, you know, done some minor damage. I've already started to take off some paneling and stuff, and you see I've like tarped over the couches that the sellers left and started to take some of the stuff off of the walls, because this place is getting completely redone. This is the basement area, and I am going to turn this into this space is going to be the theater, kind of like TV loungy space. Um, there is a space upstairs that's kind of like that does have a living room space, but I feel like that one can be a little bit more formal. This is the drywall scraper I've been using, and all of this stuff, aside from like the drywall scraper and a couple of tools, like all these shoes and things are things that the people who lived here before left. Oh, thanks for the Blu-ray player, I appreciate it. So my plan is to sell a lot of this stuff. Yeah, try to make some money off of it to help pay for renovations. This is a room right off of the basement that I'm gonna use as my create space. Is gonna be my office slash studio. It's pretty spacious. I think it's actually bigger than the owner's suite, because they say owner's suite. There's a whole pew in here, like the head church. Okay, you had church, so I'm gonna sell that too probably. And I'm gonna flip this big desk. It's so nice, like good quality, and all the drawers are lined with felt and stuff. So I was like, oh, I can really flip that and make a good coin off of it. And that TV I'm gonna sell because I don't really like TVs and I don't watch a lot of TV, so I'm gonna keep my TVs in the house to a minimum. This little entryway I'm gonna completely retile. Well, it's actually like that linoleum floor. Look how disgusting that carpet is. It's disgusting. So I'm gonna redo all of the stair treads, of course. Get rid of all this disgusting stained blue 90s sick carpet. And yeah, so this is the second level. Like I said, I've already started destroying the place. So like I said, the sellers left everything, and I don't think they'd been here for a long time. Look at those restaurant mirrors. I don't think they've been here for like 3 or 4 years, because all the food that I found was expired in like 2018. Food usually takes a little bit longer to expire. So, and I found like all this rice. There was like 8 of these canisters. There's like cabinets full of like unmarked white substances, like not those substances, but like sugar and salt, I guess, MSG. They were Chinese, so there was a lot of Chinese products, like this rice that I haven't, or no, not rice, like these rice sticks that I haven't thrown out yet. Yeah, so I'm gonna redo this space too, of course. Probably do some shelving, some cabinets, I don't know, a little pull down hook. I don't like these white things. I'm gonna take those down. Yeah, probably do like an ironing board in there too. In the kitchen, I'm gonna completely redo the cabinets. We do need a new dishwasher for sure, because everything else, all the other appliances are new. If you can't tell, like they never used the oven. Look how clean it is. It's never been used. I actually know it hasn't been used because when I opened it the first time, they were using it to store dishes. And so I was like, I don't think they ever used this. And so, yeah, this is the living room. I'm gonna do, oh, where's the lights? I still don't know how the lights work in here yet. Yeah, I'm gonna redo the lights, change some furniture, get rid of this kids mat that they have. Probably sell this. Some teacher or somebody will like it. This is another one of the TVs that they left. So I was like, might as well. You see, I haven't really made progress on cleaning, but yeah, I'm just gonna do some LED pot lights and put a chandelier in. It's gonna be so nice. Painting. I can't wait to paint the whole place, because if you can't tell from the video, like there's like one color paint in some spots, and then closer to the edge there's a paint color here, and then the walls are a paint color, but the paint color doesn't go all the way. It like stops at some points, like here, and then on the ceiling it's the same thing. And I'm going to completely scrape all the ceilings and get rid of all the popcorn that's up here. And this is the second level, and then another staircase that I have to deal with. This one isn't bright enough, so I'm going to add another light or two to this as well. Of Of course, I can't wait to get rid of all this carpet in this place. Well, there's like 26 stairs total that I have to contend with. Look at that nasty stain. I don't even know where that would come from. Maybe like a mustard party or something. Bedroom numero uno. I'm going to, scrape the ceilings, change the paint colors. This furniture they left. Actually, I'm going to keep this furniture for a while, especially since this bed thingy, what is that called? Box spring. Since it was wrapped in plastic, I'm going to keep that, but I'm going to sell this, of course, to go with the dining table that matches it, or coffee table that matches it downstairs. More furniture that they left. I'm going to sell all this stuff. Probably sell all the dressers and stuff too, make it a matching set. Oh, maybe I should sell the bed with the well, actually I don't think the bed matches. I'll sell all the dressers together. I don't think the bed is an exact match. Yeah, I don't think so. But yeah. This bathroom that I hate so much. I really, really hate this bathroom. I hate that you walking in the toilet, it's like right in front of you. So ideally, I would hope to switch this toilet and move it over here and change this vanity to have. Nobody's gonna use the vanity like here, I don't think so. Yeah. And then this is my first time actually like looking in here like this. Of course, I think I'm gonna do like a walk-in shower and get rid of the tub in here. I know this is a 3-bedroom. A lot of people who would buy this might have kids, and so I was thinking they might want a tub. But then there's a tub in in the owner's suite. See, more stuff that they left. I don't know what those are, but I've kept them up so far. I haven't cleaned really. The closet is really, really tiny, so that sucks. But I guess you can make do with it. Make some space, build some cabinets and stuff like that. Yeah. This is the bed that they left. And this dresser is so nice. It's really, really sick. Like has all this extra storage. Like this. I love it. So I think I'm gonna keep this. I'll probably paint it and change the pools, but probably gonna keep that. And I'm definitely redoing this bathroom. Yuck. They tiled the entire bathroom floor to ceiling, which is okay, but not when it's this color, like this nasty kind of taupey beige thing. And I'll redo the tub as well. I actually like the vanity. I just don't like the vanity top. The vanity is pretty nice. Like, I think they had good taste in furniture, but in terms of like all the stuff that goes with it, I disagree. So yeah, I'll change the vanity top, change all the mirrors, change the lights, take down all this tile. It's gonna be a pain in the butt, but it'll be worth it. And I'll keep that tub. So if somebody has kids, the kids can bathe in there, and we'll just, wash them in the parents' room, in the master's, or in the owner's suite. I don't even know when that will be, so that's TBD. How do you turn off this light? I need to learn all these lights. I have no idea yet. Okay. Back down. The only space that I didn't show is that there is a deck out back. Oh, yeah. Powder room. I'm not going to say what I'm going to do to this place because it's going to be pretty dramatic. I've always wanted a powder room so I could be as dramatic as I want it to be. And like I said, I've gone ahead and started throwing everything out. I actually am going to keep this kind of like as a memento to the past owners. And see, like, this ends in 2017, so that's how I knew like they hadn't been here since then. And I actually ripped off October, so I think that's when we left. Yeah, I'm gonna keep that and frame it or do something artistic with it. And I'm gonna redo this space very dramatically, and I cannot wait for it. Actually, after this, I'm gonna do some measurements. I'm not gonna go outside because it's freaking hot, but there's the deck. It's pretty big, sizable. It has to be completely gutted, and there's a swing I have to get rid of too. But and a little fence, I'm gonna have to redo all of that, and that's gonna be pretty dramatic and exciting too. So this is my humble abode. I can't wait to show you the progress. As we get started, I'm gonna start taking out this trash. Since I kind of wanted to get it in this raw state before I started really dismantling it. So there you go.